what's up with y'all? Alright, so finna get my mufflers cut off, man. My shit gonna be loud. I would do it before and after, but it's raining, so I can't really do it before. But I got videos, so I might just put a video in or something what it sound like. And then I'm gonna do it after when I get there, and I'm gonna record while I'm there and shit. So yeah, let's get it. I would do a POV also, but it's raining, you know, you feel me? So I can't really do that shit either. But shit, when we get there, I got y'all. Bet. Hopefully it stop raining. All right, I'm finna go meet up with Jacory, pick him up. He gonna come with me. Cause I ain't wanna go by myself, cause this shit gonna be boring if I'm just sitting there by myself. So I got him coming with me. Shit, I don't know what we gonna do. I mean, I wanted to do some videos of that shit, but it's raining. I can't even speed for real. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get to him. I'm like right down the road. So give me like 1 second. Bruh, tell me why I got here before him and he told me to come here and meet him here. Where is he at? Yo, vlog, we here. When is it? Man.
He off that drink. Everything. He did everything wrong.
Everything wrong. They finna think I'm talking on the phone. About that time. Oh shit. So what's good with y'all? Let me get strapped up. Let me get the fucking heat turned on because it's cold as shit. Oh shit. Crack the window a little bit. so I gotta slow down a little bit. Let me roll my window up. That shit hurting my ear. But yeah, it'd be a cop like right over there. Sports mode before they can get my ass. But yeah, it sound good. I mean, it's definitely louder. It's definitely way louder, especially like if you outside the car. That shit is loud as fuck. But I ain't really got no outside videos. I've been having to go to work, so I ain't really been able to record none. But I'm gonna give y'all this little POV. I might record tomorrow. I don't have work. I got work tomorrow morning, but I don't have work tomorrow night, so I might do something tomorrow night and give y'all some videos and some more shit. Oh no. But shit, I wish this 18-wheeler would go. Ain't no cars in front of him. Is that bullshit? Bro, what is he doing, bro? Go. What the fuck? I like how it sound. I was thinking about going back, but I don't know if I'm gonna go back this soon. I might go back later. I'm trying to save up for some shit. Y'all gonna like what I got coming, man. I just gotta get the money for it. Like I said, y'all just gotta wait for that shit. That shit coming though. It's gonna be fire. I gotta get some gas, bro. What's up with y'all? So unfortunately I ran out of storage again. I know this happened last vlog. I'm sorry, I can't control it, but I'm at work. It's cold. I ran out of storage, so it cut me off from recording. I gotta get a camera. I'm using my phone. And I ain't got a lot of phone storage, but I'm gonna start doing outros and shit when I get more storage. I be having to delete stuff just to record again. But yeah, cut it off while I was driving, bro. That shit made me mad, man. I was like, damn, bro, what the fuck? You feel me? But yeah. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna try to get better at the POVs. I'm gonna try to get a little thingamajigger. What's it called? GoPro thing. I'm gonna try to get one of those. I might get a GoPro on the outside. Somebody just told me to get one of those. But my car not fast enough to have all that, you know. So, you know, when car people see that shit, they think your car fast. My car not that fast. They gonna see the RT badge on the back and be like, boy. But nah, yeah, thank you for watching. I'm gonna get back with y'all. I should have another vlog soon.